Hi, I'm Marissa with ETR Labs, and I'm just going to walk you through a couple of simple steps today to show you how to go about collecting a water sample for a laboratory analysis. You may have received, depending on your water testing needs, a box that looks like this, or perhaps a box that looks like this. If you're using a plastic container for your water sample, you want to make sure that you turn on the cold water in your house first, just to flush out all the old water that's in the pipes and make sure that we're getting an accurate sample. So when you take your plastic container, you take off the cap, but make sure that you don't touch the inside of the cap because you don't want to contaminate the analysis that we're going to do at our laboratory. And when you fill it up with water, fill it just to the top and then put the cap right back on the container and send it off to us. So when you're filling your glass vial, you want to turn on the cold water to a trickle and fill the vial until it's overflowing. And you want to look for the bulge of water at the top. Put the cap on so that there are no air bubbles in your sample. But if air bubbles occur after a while, that's okay, it won't affect the sample. Then just send the vial back to us as soon as possible and we'll get your results back to you as fast as we can. We advise that you use the bottles that come from the lab as they are sterile and they won't compromise the water sample. And if you don't have bottles from the lab, please give us a call. We'd be more than happy to send some down to you. And it's really important that when you do get your bottles from the lab, that you fill each one of the bottles for us and then send it back to us. Hopefully, I've been able to answer any of the questions that you may have about how to take a water sample and keep everything nice and sterile. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us or visit our website at www.etrlabs.com.